Welcome to the second module of this course. In this module, I will be taking you on types of data manipulation and methods of data manipulation. See you in class. Basically, there are two types of data manipulation, which are single data and double data, which is also known as fish eye data. Now to the methods of data manipulation. There are two methods of data manipulation. The first one is slash and spread method. This method of data manipulation is achieved by slashing the data point on your pattern, cut out the data, then open up the new data position. Just as the name implies, slash and spread. Okay, this method is simple, accurate, and easy to understand, though it's time consuming, but it's ideal for someone who is new to data manipulation. Now to the second method of data manipulation, which is pivot method. This method of data manipulation is achieved by moving the pattern at the data point, then trace around the pattern in order to move it from its original position to the new data position. This method of data manipulation requires a lot of carefulness in order to avoid shifting of the body's pattern away from its position, which can lead to inaccuracy. That is why this method is not ideal if you are new to data manipulation. These are the two methods of data manipulation.